I have chosen NCTM Illuminations as my focus for my resource walkthrough. Illuminations has many pages of lessons and interactives for the K-12 math class. The search engine here on the right allows you to search by standards, grade levels, and keyword. I am focusing my lesson on the number standard in kindergarten that states count up to 20 objects arranged in a line, a rectangular array, or a circle. Count up to 10 objects in a scattered configuration and count out the number of objects given a number from 1 to 20. Number is a fundamental concept at this age level. So I have chosen to go through the Lessons tab here at the top for pre-K through 2. This takes me to a search of many lessons at this grade level. I will focus my attention on Button Trains lesson, which is a pre-K2 lesson. And this lesson is packed with details. It begins with a list of materials needed for the teacher that really provides and facilitates a teacher's preparation. It provides links to the materials that it is referring to. There is then the instructional plan. In this case, Button Trains teaches students a lesson beginning with ordinal numbers. And in case the teacher does not know or is not familiar with this game, the link here takes them to the lyrics of the song and how to play the game. I actually did this in my lesson when I read this lesson in my class when I read this lesson, and the students asked for more. So lo and behold, they do provide you with additional games to play with students. Then you move into the manipulation of objects, and once again the link to the activity sheet that is referred to. In this case, a 10 strip, which very familiar with a 10 frame strip. The students manipulate those buttons, which I have a numerous quantity in my classroom to use that I have collected over the years, and they place button in each of the 10 spaces as the number is called out. So the students are representing the quantity, and then they check and they play with or request their partners to use similar questions to their peers. The next piece is assessments and extensions. So therefore, this is almost a checklist of what the teacher needs to look for if students know the following information. And if they do, then there's an extension provided that allows them to move on to the next lesson that is included within this website. If not, then this will need to be looked at further before moving on. So the teacher even has questions for the students to be able to assess where their thinking is at, and also to teach reflection on thinking back about the lesson and whether to move on or to continue. States the objectives and standards, and also provides additional lessons that are related to this standard and can be used. I like this lesson because I feel that it can be an important lesson in a guided math group so that students can work at their level, and this lesson provides additional extensions that can be used for the different groups that will be a part of that math class. Enjoy!